name is Ayanda Malele, and thank you so much for tuning in once again as we talk about my favorite subject, insurance. Today we're talking about my favorite event in insurance for any given calendar year, and that is the African Insurance Exchange. So AIE 2025 is upon us, and I'm here at the SAIA offices with the CEO of SAIA. Her name is Viviene Pearson, and she's going to tell us all about this wonderful event. Hello Viviene, how are you?
Hi, I am very good, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. AIE 2025. For those that don't know what AIE is about, please can you just give us a rundown what the event really is about?
The event is about bringing together people in the South African insurance industry landscape. That includes people from insurance companies, it includes people from industry bodies, it includes people from, overseas. It includes people from the continent. It includes regulators. It includes service providers for the industry. So it's just a whole bunch of people from whom one can learn a lot. So I think that is one of the best features. And maybe just to add that the fact that this is the 51st conference of this nature speaks for itself. It means that there is always something on offer, and it means that people come back every year.
Yes.
And there are very good reasons for it.
So we've spoken about what's in it for the individual going into the conference. How are organizations getting involved?
There are a lot of organizations that do get involved in all sorts of ways. Organizations and companies are obviously, they have the opportunity to sponsor, and many of them do. And I do think that it's well worth doing that. And then there are all sorts of other areas in which they can get involved. There is the exhibition areas, which are usually well attended by attendees as well. So it gives them some good exposure. And those kind of exhibitors would include service providers to the industry. It would include relevant role players in the professional development space and the education space, such as, for example, in SAIA and colleges and so on. Without the support of the exhibitors, the sponsors and so on, this conference would look very different. I do also think that it's a golden opportunity for the attendees, the individual, to be exposed to all the different types of suppliers and companies who are exhibitors as well.
Yes.
So I think that further enriches the conference and make it worthwhile attending.
I think I can actually agree with you, because I've realized there's people in the AI space, for instance, that will come there. There's people who work within technology, there's education, there's certain service or people in the value chain that you would never ordinarily think form part of that insurance value chain, that form part of those exhibitors. So it's quite an interesting way to learn as you walk around as well and see for yourself.
Yeah, and there would be security solutions, etc. It's a huge variety of interesting people and companies in the value chain. So yeah, I always enjoy also taking a turn around the exhibition halls.
And the nice free gifts that they give sometimes.
Good point.
I think also what I appreciate about the conference is just seeing that it's senior management from all over to people that are on the grassroots levels that come to attend, and they both sort of mesh information together. Is there any initiative that you guys are doing this year to try and assist those emergent brokers and the emergent FSPs who'd like to come on board and also attend the conference?
There are initiatives. I know the IISA, who is the major organizer of this conference, and whom we support very much in their quest for continuous professional development, because this is their unique role in the insurance landscape in South Africa, which SAIA definitely supports. They have had for many years now, in collaboration with the insurance companies in South Africa, to make the conference more accessible for potentially smaller new brokers.
My next question now, every year there's a big theme that is the main focus of the conference. So what is the theme for this year?
This year's theme is the Bayer Advantage, and it speaks to multifaceted growth as well as continuous innovation. And maybe just to add on to that, the Bayer tree I think is very appropriate for the insurance industry. It is sometimes called the tree of life. And I think that what we at SAIA always continues to advocate is that the insurance industry is almost the lifeblood of the economy.
Are there any key speakers that you are willing to name for this interview, just to let us know and help us get excited?
Yeah, there are speakers already confirmed.
Okay.
And I'm going to make sure that I get the names correctly.
Okay.
So we do have Tetu Niati, the chairman of BSG,
Okay.
who will be a speaker. Colin Mlepe, obviously. He is the president of the IISA.
Yes, yes.
And also the chairperson of the IISA board, and also one of our member companies, CEO. So he is always an exciting speaker.
Oh, yes.
So I'm looking forward again to what he is going to have to say. And another amazing speaker that I'm very excited about is Puti Manyele Dabengwa.
Yes.
And I'm hoping I'm doing her name justice.
Yes.
She is the South African Chief Executive of NASPAR.
Oh.
And a very inspiring speaker as well.
Oh, amazing.
So those are some of the speakers that have been confirmed and that I can share with you, I'm sure.
Oh, that's amazing. Please let us know, how is the flow of events going to go? When is the event starting, and what happens, and what can people look forward to during the 3 days?
Okay, the conference starts on Sunday, the 27th of July. And now I guess people, would ask people who haven't been there before, why it's Sunday. It is at Sun City. It's nice to be there on a Sunday. For the golfers, it's a big event because there's a golf day. There are also, usually some other activities as well, and that's during the day. And then, in my experience, it's fantastic to get there a little bit, sort of midday-ish, because you see people that you haven't seen for years often. And I have personally been to about 20 of these insurance conferences. And sometimes there are people that I only saw at the that I only see at the conferences. So it is something to look forward to. Lots of old friends and lots of new friends, which I count you as one of them. So that's a Sunday. On the Sunday evening, there's a cocktail function as well. Usually, it's a very nice function, full of action and fun. The Monday the conference fully starts and continues through and up to Tuesday afternoon. There are also events in the evenings. The gala dinner would be on Tuesday. The gala dinner would be on Tuesday night. Also something to look forward to always. There is also entertainment at the functions. And then Wednesday morning, it's sort of, ended. And people make ready to go home. In between, there are lots of opportunities to arrange meeting with people, etc. So this is what I find people do.
Yes, yes.
They use the tea times and the lunch times, and whenever they can find a moment to meet with somebody. So it is not just networking for the sake of networking; it's also networking in a very focused way. Many times, yeah.
Okay, no, brilliant. And you said already 800 tickets. What is the cap, or when are we going to sell out, and should people be rushing now because it's almost done?
There is some limit because there's accommodation, availability to keep in mind. So yes, I think it is advisable to make a move now and register if you still want to go.
So you've heard it. 800 people already signed up to go to this event. If you want to get your ticket and you want to get yourself there, you better go to the AIE website. I'm going to leave all the details down here below so that you're able to go and access your ticket as well before they sell out. So I'm so thankful for this interview and thank you for your time and just sharing a lot with us about the event. Is there any last parting words to anyone that will be seeing in Sun City?
I'm looking so much forward to do this conference, to see old friends, as I've mentioned before, and also to meet some new people. So what I would like to say in parting is I hope to see you there.
Definitely, she hopes to see you there. I hope to see you there as well. We hope to have more interviews as well. I want to talk more to SAIA about SAIA. So more to look forward to. But thank you so much, Viviene, for your time. And there at home, if you like this video or you like all my other videos, please click subscribe, like the video itself, comment as well. Let us know what you want to talk about or hear more of. From myself, yeah, it's been a good one. Thank you. See you on the next video.